Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making the first video of my vlog. So guys, I went to this place, okay, for some shopping, and I saw some beautiful fishes swimming in the water. As you can see, the fishes are so very beautiful. They are catfishes and other fishes. So guys, they is so beautiful, and I was like, why not film it so that maybe someone else can see how beautiful the fishes are. I think the fishes are for tourist attractions. Okay, guys, they are so beautiful, and as you can see, swimming very freely. Even some people were assisting to feed them. Okay, as you can see, the fishes are so beautiful. So guys, like, I noticed my voice sounds somehow. Okay, I'm very sorry. I'm just using a voiceover. Okay guys, maybe next time I'll try to improve the quality of my audio. Okay, I'm voicing over using my laptop. Okay, I don't think it's the best voiceover device to use, but I'll get better. Thank you guys for understanding. Wow, so guys, is this a peacock? Like, is this a peacock? Wow, it's so beautiful. Literally so beautiful. Such a beautiful artwork. So guys, can you see how beautiful it looks? Oh my god. Are these Christmas flowers? Christmas light? Wow, that's so early. Christmas coming very early. Okay guys. So guys, I just want you guys to follow me for the day. See some beautiful artworks I saw. So guys, are these mini peacocks? Oh my god, they are so beautiful. Literally beautiful. So guys, thank you guys for spending some time with me. This is my first vlog. I think I'll be getting better in making more nice videos. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Bye bye.